Hello.
You. It happens for you. One must learn to see the positive with all the negative feelings.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ
I'm
ठीक है,
there.
ठीक ठीक. Let everybody come in. ठीक है. और कोई आ रहा है?
हम लोग आ रहे हैं मैम.
हाँ, और कोई आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा? So we'll have picture also. Recording has started. ओके, लास्ट में सब लोगों का मैं एक एक मिनट, आधे आधे मिनट का क्लिप लूंगी, जैसे कल लिया था कि हम सेशन लेने जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो आप बोलोगे एक एक करके सब लोग. Who else is joining in? Please join in. निरुपमा अपना वीडियो दिखा दीजिए. अर्चना वीडियो. Should we start?
Yes, we should.
अभी कुछ और भी आने वाले हैं. हाँ, looking very nice.
Thank you.
आप सबने अपनी मेजरमेंट्स भेज दिए हैं? सबसे मैं बार बार एक ही चीज पूछ रही हूँ, कल रात से पूछ रही हूँ, बल्कि एक महीने पहले, 1 महीने से पूछ रही हूँ. So let us wait for, I think 2 more minutes.
विनीता जी, वो जो मैंने मेजरमेंट्स भेजे थे आपको, वो लेकिन कॉर्सेट के साथ भेजने ना, मतलब वो उसके साथ क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
हाँ 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 हाँ, शेपर्स के साथ.
अच्छा, तो फिर से लेना पड़ेगा ना?
नहीं, शेपर्स के साथ, बस वो थोड़ा सा पेट ये मेन प्रॉब्लम वैसे रात्रि की है और किसी की ये प्रॉब्लम है नहीं, जिसकी पेट ज्यादा निकला हुआ है, तो वो रात्रि का ज्यादा थोड़ा सा निकला हुआ है. अदरवाइज आप लोग वैसे भी भेज सकते हो, क्योंकि शेपर्स के साथ तो थोड़ा सा टाइट हो जाता है बस.
ठीक है, मैं अभी ये सेशन के बाद ना फिर से ले लेती हूँ, फिर भेज
हाँ
दूंगी.
हाँ
ठीक है?
हाँ, ठीक है ठीक है. ओके. So let us start. Right? Yeah, Mona, we can start now.
Okay, fine.
लास्ट में आप मुझे होस्ट बना देना. So I'll get the picture and I'll ask from everybody of these people कि कैसा लगा उन लोगों को. ठीक है?
Okay, so yeah, right now I am host.
No, you are not a host right now. I'll make you the host. कहाँ चला गया? Yeah. Yes.
Okay. I don't know why this is showing very small.
You can enlarge it.
नहीं हो रहे. I have been trying. Anyway, let me start. So all of you have joined.
Yeah.
All of, so we'll start.
There are 9 participants now.
Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So you all are feeling fresh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good to go.
Not feeling sleepy. So we will do not just quickly. We'll do the recap. Yeah. Ready?
Okay.
So who wants to share?
So let's do one thing. Let's all of you share one point. Then you will also wake up.
So, Bona, just put them in a whole screen. That will be better. तो ऊपर गैलरी व्यू में जाके ना, there is a one view लिखा हुआ है एक जगह पे, ऊपर साइड में
View.
हाँ,
Okay.
उसमें स्पीकर व्यू है और गैलरी व्यू है, तो आप गैलरी व्यू में डाल दो उसको. Got it?
Not yet. How to put it in gallery? I'm not getting it.
ऊपर व्यू लिखा हुआ है साइड में.
It's not. It's written show grid video.
हाँ वही.
Wait.
हाँ.
But it's not happening. It's happened, but you know, very small. It's okay. Fine. So you can. I can see 4 of you. Not all of you.
नहीं, so you put it on एक स्पीकर व्यू होता है और एक गैलरी व्यू है.
हाँ, वो गैलरी व्यू नहीं मिल रहा है. स्पीकर. हाँ.
हाँ. Now it's done. Yeah.
Okay. So who all want to share?
You also will learn so many things.
Yes, absolutely. Yes, Sangeeta, would you like to share?
पहली बात तो मैम थैंक्स, आपने इतना ज्यादा यूजफुल और स्किलफुल हमें जो दिया है, क्योंकि किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म में ब्यूटी पेजेंट के जो प्लेटफॉर्म है उसमें सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट जो होता है वो यही है कि आप जो हो वही आपको शो करना है, लेकिन वो कैसे शो करना है, किस तरीके से आपको बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसे देनी है, अपीयरेंस आपका कैसा होना चाहिए, माइंडसेट, प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड, यानी आपका इनर और आउटर ब्यूटी दोनों ही मेरी नज़र में, मेरी ओपिनियन में दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. तो आपको उसको किस टेक्निक से आपको सामने वाले को शो करना है कि उनसे इंटरेक्शन भी पैदा करना है और आपको उनको कन्विंस भी करना है. तो ये सारी बातों की जो आपने जानकारी दी है वो बहुत बहुत यूजफुल है. यही नहीं, ब्यूटी पेजेंट के हिसाब से ही नहीं कह रही मैं, मेरे को आगे लाइफ में भी ये चीजें बहुत काम आने वाली है. तो ये है.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta. Okay.
Same here, ma'am. Same here, ma'am.
There is no
Ratri.
There is no copy-paste.
No, ma'am. I just want to share one.
You share one concrete point. Yes, this is.
Yes, but I want to share one thing. I'm little nervous for the interview round. Maybe. I don't know why. I have to practice more and more and more.
See, being nervous is good. जब तक आप नर्वस नहीं होते तब तक आप किसी चीज को परफेक्शन से नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप नर्वस होगे तभी आप परफेक्शन से कर पाओगे.
बिल्कुल. Otherwise it is very nice, क्योंकि हमें तो कुछ भी नहीं पता था और हमको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है. कुछ हो या ना हो, लेकिन कुछ तो मिलेगा. मतलब कुछ तो नहीं, बहुत कुछ शायद गेन करेंगे. लेकिन मैं शायद जजेस के सामने हो सकता है कुछ ना बोल पाऊं, पता नहीं, मुझे अपने से ही अपने लिए.
आप अभी भी जज के सामने हो.
Yes, because आपसे 2-3 बार बात कर लिया है ना, इसलिए थोड़ा सा हेसिटेशन कम हो गया. Otherwise, it's little difficult for me. I'm very frankly speaking.
It's okay.
It's little difficult for me.
I would also like to share, ma'am. Nasreen. Ma'am, you made us realize that what is the purpose of our life and where we're heading to, what exactly our goals, what do we want from our life, and what is the purpose behind participating in this pageant, and what we can do, and what about life after that, and all about the goal setting from present goal to the upcoming years, and in the end how we want our life to be, so how we can contribute, and what best we can do as a person. You made us realize how to to do self-analysis, I mean, the SWOT analysis, knowing our strengths and weaknesses, how to handle the interview techniques, how to work on the confidence level, and the importance of body language, and how to work on overall personality, and how to present our views and in a positive way, the way it should be. And there is so much to it. At present, I'm not getting those ideas right now, but yes, it was really amazing.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Nirupama, would you like to share something?
Yeah, so like first of all, I would like to congratulate you for this wonderful session.
Thank you.
And yes, let me start from because it was really an eye-opening session for me as well. Although I have attended many sessions like this in the past as well, because we are in the corporate side, so every day like coming out with one or the other sessions as well. So like you started very like sequentially starting from like first impression, then talking about your strength, weaknesses, talking about your SWOT analysis, then taking you forward in terms of your body language. Before that, you started with your goals, because the goal is one thing for which we have to be really like focused. Although I had made my goal statement and vision statement before coming forward for this pageant. But yes, today I also focused once again when the moment you said, after that I started reiterating and thinking in my mind that yes, where I have to focus more, what are the areas where I have to work on. That's one. Talking about question answer round, like because that was really wonderful, because Vrinda ma'am also gave us a lot of clarity that what kind of questions rounds which are going to held us there, and how we have to come up with that. Then you mentioned about body language, because body language is actually a very, very important part. As of now, I was concerned only with my body part. But today, the moment you mentioned about judges' part as well, how they are feeling, how you can judge, how you can make it interactive, those were the things which were really like enlightening for me as well. So overall, a very, very effective and profitable session. And I'm sure like I'm going to implement these points in my life as well.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Who else want to share? Who else? Because I cannot see everyone. So anyone wants to share? Yeah. So should we move forward then?
Yes. Good to go. Please. Very well. Please.
आप लोग बोलने से घबराओ मत, सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ जरूर बोलो, जो भी मन में आ रहा है. यहाँ पे we are not judging you. Okay, the thing is what you are feeling inside. कई बार क्या होता है, हम अंदर से बोलना चाहते हैं कुछ और दिल धक 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 कर रहा होता है. बोले कि नहीं बोले, बोले कि नहीं बोले, बोल दो यार. Just take it out. Nobody is judging you. Even if somebody is judging you, let them be. मैं यहाँ की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, वैसे बात कर रही हूँ. So नेहा and शोभा, आप लोगों ने कुछ नहीं बोला है, so please say something. And अर्चना.
Okay, I can start.
या नेहा.
हाँ मुझे बस इतना ही बोलना था कि मैम ने जो कुछ भी बताया, जो कुछ भी हमें सिखाया, इट वाज वेरी यूजफुल. और ये पेशेंट के लिए नहीं है, आगे के लिए भी बहुत ज्यादा यूजफुल रहने वाला है. और मेरे क्वेश्चन था मैम कि हम जैसे हैं, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि अपना स्वभाव कभी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए, तो क्या हमें दूसरों को देख के कि हाँ हमें कोई जज कर रहा है तो अपना स्वभाव छोड़ दो और दूसरों के अकॉर्डिंग अपना स्वभाव करने लगो, तो क्या ये नेसेसिटी है या फिर जो हमारा स्वभाव है हमें उसी में जीना चाहिए?
So when I started, I told you that आपको अपना जो individuality है, so we all are unique, okay, in our own way. So you should never leave your individuality. जो आपका, तो इसीलिए आपको मैं what did I say? You do your SWOT analysis to understand what is your strength, so that you can enhance that. And जो आपका weakness, everyone has weaknesses. तो उसको थोड़ा कम करना है, बट अपना जो नेचर है, when it is positive, which is your strength. अगर कुछ नेगेटिव है, सब में है, We all are regular human beings. We are not superhuman beings. तो जो negative है, उसको तो time, whether you are going for a beauty pageant or not, उसको तो minimize करना ही है. So you are getting a platform to become aware of your negative, also positive, so that you can enhance your positive attitude and minimize your negative.
देखो, सपोज आई गिव एन एग्जांपल, आपको बॉडी पोस्चर के बारे में बताया, ठीक है, इसमें कई लड़कियां बोलूंगी मैं ऐसे बैठती हूँ, तो बैठते तुमको क्या प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? बट आपको पोस्चर अपना चेंज करना है, आपके अपने लिए, नॉट फॉर अदर्स.
Okay, ma'am.
सेम हैपेंस सपोज आपको पता है कि आप नेगेटिव लैंग्वेज यूज करते हो, या यू आर वेरी नेगेटिव, पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा, या ऐसा होगा कि नहीं होगा. तो जो मैम ने आपको बताया, मैंने पूरा सेशन नहीं देखा, बट स्टिल जो मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस से भी कह रही हूँ, कई बार लड़के ऐसे बोलते पता नहीं होगा. अच्छा, अगर हम पेजेंट में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं तो हमें उससे क्या मिलने वाला है, ठीक है. दीज आर सम ऑफ द नेगेटिव थिंग्स, राइट? सो व्हाट यू शुड नो इज, आप अपने आप को वैसे चेंज करो जैसे आपको लगता है कि भाई यू आर गेटिंग बेटर फॉर योरसेल्फ, नॉट फॉर अदर्स, right?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it.
Okay. Shobha, would you like to share something?
Yeah, sure. I was on mute when I was speaking last time, I guess. So, yeah. So it's similar, actually. My experience, as like the others. And again, I'm learning a lot from these sessions. Even small things like sitting postures, and what they indicate and things like that. I honestly, I mean, I had heard that folding arms and sitting is a sign that you are, not willing or open to, others' suggestions and ideas, and it's basically a closed indication that you're closed. But this is something I had not thought of before, so it's good to know, all of that. And for me specifically, because again, having worked in the corporate world for some years and across the globe, with companies across the globe, I feel like what I really need to focus on more is ramp walk and the general, way of carrying myself. Because what you do in the corporate world is quite different from what you would do in a pageant. So that's where I think I would need to focus on.
Good, good. What about
Archana? Archana is left.
Yes, Archana. Archana, you are mute.
Mute hai. Unmute karo. हाँ.
I told you before also, na, ma'am, the session was very motivating for me because I was lacking motivation in participation of this contest actually. It took me a lot of time to decide and to make me feel confident that I can go that, because
I kept on sending her messages. She is a contestant from September 19.
Yeah.
We gave her audition on September 19.
Okay.
And that time onwards, I'm sending her all the messages, like the broadcast messages we sent to everyone. So I kept on sending her the messages, and then I personally kept on asking her whether she wants to join it or not. And at last,
I was not very confident that I have the ability to participate and win. Actually, that's why I was lacking that. But by your speech, Basu ma'am, I feel very proud now, and I feel motivated. And now I'm focused also to participate and win this pageant. I think so.
You are absolutely confident person. So don't just like, self-defeat yourself. Just go ahead and do it. How will you know that, whether you'll be able to do it or not unless you try? So at least try to karo. So
that's why I'm participating. I'm just trying.
I'm sure you are going to rock. So have that faith in yourself and just go and shine on the stage. All of you will do very well. It is not like, always think that it is not that winning or losing. See, one person, always you will find someone is, thinner, taller, more stylish, everywhere. But that doesn't mean that you are somewhere less. No, it is not like that. And just enjoy this journey. When we go somewhere, okay, it is also, the journey is also very important, the scenic beauty which you see. So it is not only the destination. So enjoy this journey. Okay, so with this we will start the session, and let's see what more we can learn. Vinita, there is some echo.
Even I can hear echo. I don't know the reason.
Yes. The echo is there.
Let's see whether. Oh no, it's still there.
No, the echo is coming from everybody's part.
Yeah. From our part, my part also.
Okay, so should we carry on?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we will do, there are two things, there are two, three, I will touch upon etiquette, personal grooming, and time management. These are the three things we are going to do. So I will start with personal grooming. So what is your appearance shows? It shows your professionalism, your level of sophistication, your intelligence, and your attitude. Okay. So what is the benefit of grooming? I'm very sure, and all of you look well groomed, and I am very sure that you all are also taking now a lot of lot of interest in your self grooming. So self grooming, what happens whenever we see someone who is well groomed, it gives a good impression. And also it helps you to climb the ladder of success in the shortest possible time, because I have told you all that visual communication is very important. When you get the opportunity, then only you can perform. So first is creating a good impression, getting that opportunity. So for that, grooming is also a visual communication. And grooming also make you feel confident, fresh throughout the day. So during pageant, I think that 3-4 days you all will be in the hotel. I don't know. I'm not very sure exactly how many days. Let's see, like 3 days. So how much time you will get for your self grooming. So if you start from now onwards, I'm very sure all of you have some kind of grooming regime daily. You must be doing for your grooming. So let's see what all we can do. So when I say personal grooming habits, it is everything, all aspects of your body, your overall cleanliness, your hair, nails, teeth, clothing, makeup, accessories. So when I look at you, I will feel groomed. You are a groomed person when all the aspects are taken into account. So obviously, I am not going to talk about this part, because obviously you all are taking bath, and you know how to maintain your hygiene. As far as hair is concerned, in the beauty pageant, you will have different events. So have you all have decided what kind of hairstyle you all will have for different events? Have you decided?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have. What about other?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So have you decided that you all will be knowing that there will be different events? Do you have any idea that what kind of events you will be having? Maybe you'll be having photo shoot. You'll be having different rounds. So have you have idea?
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday it was discussed.
Okay, so have you decided that what kind of hairstyle you will have for different events?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you haven't decided, then please do that. Don't keep anything for last moment. You have to know, because you have to be very organized. What happens if you are not organized? And that's the time, if you start doing, it will only create a lot of stress on you. And if you are stressed, obviously your interview will not go smoothly. So you please decide about your hair, and you still have a lot of time. If you think that you need to take care of your hair, maybe you need to, your hair is become, now the season is also changing. I don't know all of you stay in which part of India. I believe that some of you don't stay in north, so you see how if the weather is changing, maybe your hair is becoming dry or oily. So please start taking care of your hair. So this is the time, because it is going to be overall look. So whatever hair care you do, start doing that, so that that's the time when the final time comes, your hair is absolutely looking healthy and shiny. Yeah. As far as okay, so here I have already talked about hair. So as far as the next goes, the teeth. So I will touch everything. So make sure that if you have, like, some people don't have white teeth. Nowadays there is a lot of teeth whitener is available in the market. You can use it for some time. You don't need to use it for a longer time, maybe just before the 1 week before the pageant, so that you have nice white shiny teeth, because that also is very important. And before the any event, or if you eat something, either you use your mouth freshener, or you brush your teeth, so that you feel fresh. So once you brush your teeth, you obviously feel fresh, even like even after the lunch, if there is any event. So please do that. Make sure you don't smell of the food which you have eaten. Try to eat not very smelly food. So these are the small tips I'm giving you. And also there is another thing, you should remember, during the events, try to eat less carbs, because carbs only will make you look heavier. You can look little bloated also. So and you should look little sharp, and that's the look you should have, very sharp. So try to avoid carbs, that is like rice or roti. Eat a lot of leafy vegetables and fruits. If you watch any video, especially like those who all are doing a lot of gym and all, the other day I was watching Shah Rukh Khan's, some, no, Hrithik Roshan's that movie War, uska making I was watching. Before that, before the shooting, he was doing very, intensive gymming. But just before the shooting, also he has, before giving the shot, he did a little bit of exercise, so that gymming, so that he looked very sharp. So what you can do is, just before the finale, before getting ready, you can do little bit of exercise, just to give your body little shape and to look sharp. Okay, so this is what the nails. You please start taking care of your nails. Your nails should look very nice and healthy. You can I have a problem. I cannot grow my nails. It breaks very fast. So if any of you have this kind of problem, buy those cuticle oil. You get it in any beauty parlor, or you get it in online. If you are already using, or use any coconut oil or any good oil, what you do is put in the night, just do a little bit of massage, so that by the time of the due day, your nails are looking nice and all. Make sure during the pageant your nails are not like this, not chipped. If you are wearing a nail polish which has started chipping, please remove the paint and put another nail polish. And if you are not very comfortable, then put any light color, put any transparent color nail paint. Okay, and make always your nails filed and nicely shaped. don't use this kind of nail paint. Try to use the color of your dress. Make sure before the pageant you do your manicure, pedicure. Please take care of your feet. Right now, only from now onwards, every night before going off to sleep, put some foot cream so that they look nice and healthy. Put nail paint. So these are the small things you have to. So you just think you are going for a big event. So take all the minute details into account. Okay, so perfume also use any perfume. Don't overuse it. I think you all know the pressure point. These are the pressure point here and also here. So if you put here this places, the smell stays for a longer time. Don't use very strong perfume. Use the mild one, and if you have an event in the morning, also in the evening, please use the same perfume. Don't use, because usually like there are perfumes which is for daytime and which is more milder, and for evening it's a strong perfume. So please don't mix it. So if you are using one perfume in the morning, then use the same perfume in the evening. So these are the personal grooming. What else? And obviously you know your dresses, that what you will be wearing. So keep everything ready, so that that's the time you should not get worried about. Keep extra dresses, because there can be some accident, there can be something like something can spill on your dress, or so many things can happen. So you will be ready for any such challenges. Okay, any question? Anything you want to know about personal grooming?
Yes, I wanted to know about nails once again, because I am also having small nails. So I wanted to know about that once again.
Okay, so what happens, some people like me have problem. My nails are not very strong, so it breaks very fast. So maybe you are also having same problem. So what you do is a cuticle oil. There is a small bottle you get, so that if you massage in the night, just put little and massage before going off to sleep, your nails will become strong. Otherwise, if you don't get that cuticle oil, what you can do is you can use any coconut oil or olive oil, any oil, just little bit, and massage in the night. Leave it like this. Your nail will grow faster, will become stronger. And obviously before the pageant, go for your manicure. Make sure that you do your manicure, pedicure. Even in the night, put foot cream. There are so many foot cream are available online. So just order one, so that both your hands and feet, they look healthy. Yeah.
Ma'am, can we go for nail extension also?
Yes, why not? But don't use very dark color nail polish. It should go with your print, because color harmony.
We can go for nude prints now.
Yes,
We can.
we
It
can
is
go
allowed in
nude
the
color,
pageant
no?
or not, I don't know.
Sorry.
I don't know whether it is allowed in the pageant or not.
So that's what I say. You have to know the rules and regulations of your pageant. So you can talk to Binita. I am very sure you will have a orientation. So what you do is, there will be a lot of questions you must be having in your mind, and that is very natural. So please write down whenever there is something comes in your mind. You just write down. Maybe it is difficult to write down, but you can. All of us have this phone, and all of us have this smartphone. There is a this thing, notes. Okay, so just write down, just type it in the note. So what I do, I always, whatever comes in my mind, I think it is very disturbing now because of the.
Yeah, there is so much of disturbance there.
Yes, ma'am. It's totally echo. The sound is.
The sound is echoing constantly.
Okay, so I have to ask Binita. I don't know whether.
Let me check. Okay. थोड़ी देर बाद बताती हूँ. आप तब तक करो अपना. ओके
हाँ, मुझे लग रहा है अब कुछ ठीक हुआ मैम।
हाँ अभी मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं है।
अब पता नहीं, अभी कुछ लगा कि ठीक हुआ, अभी बहुत इको हो रहा था।
एक सेकेंड, मेरा माइक जो है वो अभी ठीक है?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, अभी बहुत ठीक हुआ है, बहुत हुआ है।
नहीं हो रहा है मैम, हो रहा है।
Because mic was near the ठीक है, मैं अभी एक सेकेंड, आप लोग कंटिन्यू करो, मैं बताती हूँ।
Okay. So there is a note in the phone. So keep typing in the note whatever comes in your mind, because I'm very sure there will be a lot of questions, there will be a lot of doubts you will be having. So whenever you get to talk to Binita, she is the best person to to help you with your doubts and questions. You should always before the pageant, you should, or before even starting from home when you'll be going to stay in the hotel, please clear all your doubts, because maybe if you think when I go there and ask Binita, because she will be very busy, she's a director, she is organizing everything, she'll not be maybe able to give you enough time. So this is the right time. You have enough time now, you still have 3 weeks to go. So please list all your queries, all your doubts, and clear all your doubts now before you go to the hotel for the pageant. Yeah. So anything else you would like to know about personal grooming? Yes, and please also.
In terms of like perfume, can you suggest some good ones?
See, there are so many you can use. I use Davidoff. They have this water. They have this Cool Whip, so you can use that. Those are mild ones and nice fragrance. For evening, I usually use Christian Dior, or I use also this one, Elizabeth Arden. But it is absolutely like some people like a lot of floral fragrance. It's absolutely your decision. But don't use very strong perfume. That's the only concern. And use the same perfume which you use in the daytime. Use the same one in the nighttime, because otherwise, even if you bath, the fragrance remains. So there will be, if you mix two perfume, two fragrance, it's little, they are mixed. So try to avoid that. There's a lot of disturbance I can feel. So anything else?
No, seems interesting.
Okay. Fine. So now, should we do a little bit of etiquette? I don't have any.
Just a question for teeth also.
How is it now?
No, echo is still there.
अभी भी इको हो रहा है.
पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम है. Just continue with this thing. I don't know what is the problem.
Okay.
You mentioned that 1 week before only should be started, the teeth part.
Come again?
You mentioned that it should be started just 1 week before only, or we can try now.
What happens if you use that whitener very regularly? It might harm the upper coating of your teeth, which is called enamel. So it is better you don't, but maybe 1 week or few days before the pageant you can start using, so that the final time your teeth looks nice, white and shiny. So what you do is, what I would suggest that go online and see what are the options you have, and then you take a decision. So everything will be mentioned there, that how many days it takes. So if it says that it's instant, then you can use only those 2-3 days. So you can also understand anything where it says anything which is instant, which is not very natural. So obviously there will be some which side effect or not good for your teeth. So you should not use for a longer time. So
Right.
that's the only concern. Yeah.
That's right. That's
Okay.
right.
Now, there is a very important thing I want to discuss, and it also comes in personal grooming. And I think you know that most of my clients are corporate clients and mostly ladies. So I interact with huge number of ladies. And what I found in my clients, whether they are HNI, because I have HNI clients also, or they're regular clients, you must wear, even if you wear a very nice, very expensive dress, you always should concern about your undergarments, because if your bra size is not correct, sometimes what happens, you have a lot of, when I do body shape, I do body shape evaluation. So I will evaluate your body shape and tell you like what kind of body shape you have and which are the larger parts, so that you can minimize those parts and enhance the one which are pleasing ones. So a lot of people have a lot of flesh on their back, but their cup size is not very big. So what happens when you go to buy bra? So obviously you take the size bigger, because otherwise it doesn't fit you. So what happens then? You are also wearing a bra which has a bigger cup size. So all these you have to be very clear. So it is, if you do not wear the right size of your bra, it is, your dress will never look nice. I have seen ladies wearing very nice dress, but it is not fitting properly because the undergarment is not proper. And also, so it Marks and Spencer has that, like they always you can go, you can measure and then buy. So it is most of the stores, they don't allow you to try undergarment. So in Marks and Spencer, they let you try. Even you can exchange also. So please make sure that you are buying the right size of your bra. Otherwise, and especially I'm very sure all of you are going to wear evening gowns, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
And finale. Yeah.
Yeah.
So for you, then buying your undergarments, the proper shape is very important. So please do that. And otherwise also, whenever you wear a dress, even the blouses, if the size is not proper, even the the blouse is very nicely tailored, still it will not look good. So please see to it that you use the proper size. And also you please how you take care of your undergarments. So when you will be traveling, there are a few things I want to show, that how you organize yourself. I am just going to show you a few things. So I have this kind of boxes. So how many of you can see? Can you see?
Yeah, it is so good.
So this is like, what is this? I'll just show you. So this is like a box where you can put your bras. They will remain inside. And then because it looks like a bra. Okay? You can see it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
it's so
if
good.
you can get hold of these are all available online, and sometimes you get it for a nice discount also. So I told you, because you know what happens otherwise when you are traveling, obviously. So how many of you are coming from different city?
I'm from Prayagraj.
You are coming from?
Prayagraj.
Where is that? I'm sorry.
Allahabad. That's Allahabad.
Oh, Allahabad. Yes, yes. What about you, Nasrin?
Ma'am, I'll be coming from Lucknow, ma'am.
Oh, wow, that's close by. Okay. I stay in Noida. I also stay in UP. What about you, Sangeeta?
From Jaipur, ma'am.
Okay, close by. Archana?
I will be coming from Indore.
Okay, okay. And Shobha, you are coming from?
Hyderabad, the furthest, I guess.
Oh my God, good, very nice. What about Nirupama? She's around?
Nearby only.
Nearby. Okay, who else is there? Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I'm from the land of Bhagavad Gita, Kurukshetra, Haryana.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Who else? So most of you will be traveling. So when you travel, and you'll be sharing a room with another person, so it's going to be twin sharing. So when you pack, so this is also I've started doing time management. So this is part of time management, that you have to be very organized. I have a module where I teach the ladies, especially the ladies who are in corporate and do a lot of traveling. So I always tell them how to organize yourself. So this is one thing. So to organize, especially if you're traveling, you have to travel very light, and especially when you are coming for this kind of event, you will have to carry a lot of clothes also for different events. So somewhere you have to learn how to organize yourself. If you pack things in a proper way, it will be easier for you. And so this is one thing I've showed what happens in this. You can put 4, 5, not 4, 5, at least 3 bras you can put, because I don't think you will have time or the place to wash your clothes. So you have to carry enough, especially undergarments. By the time it is going to be a little hot, though you'll be staying in the hotel, but you will have to do a lot of up and down. So you'll be walking, you'll be rehearsing, you'll be walking on the stage. So it's better to remain fresh, because when andar se jab aap fresh lagoge, so it will also show on your appearance. And also about your jewelry, it is very important. Have you all decided what kind of jewelry you all will be wearing? Have you done your shopping or whatever you have?
It is going on, ma'am. It is going on.
A lot of shopping is going on. Wow,
Yes.
very nice. So even your jewelry, you have to carry them properly. So I will just show you what kind of there is this box. You can see this box. A lot of compartments. Can you see?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
It's good.
So what happens when you have this kind of boxes, because you have to keep your jewelry in one place, as you will be sharing your room with another person. So obviously, and it's a hotel room, you will not have enough space, and you have to keep your things properly. Otherwise, because you should not lose, because at that time, if you lose anything, it will be difficult to get another pair, because obviously you will not be in your hometown. There will be no one to ये नहीं कि घर में कि you will tell your sister or your mother or your husband, please get this for me. That will not be possible. So please prepare yourself for all the eventuality. So when you keep your jewelry, this will if you buy this kind of box, it will be there for you also in future. And so all your jewelry can come, and once you open the box, you can see all the pieces, and also they will be in good shape. Yeah, so you can use, I'm just showing you all this to have an idea that these are the things you can do. And also you will have to carry okay, there's one thing I wanted to ask you, that how are you taking care of your face? Are you doing any are you following any regime for your face care besides your facial or anything? No?
Just normal care.
घर पे ही जो मैम आयुर्वेदिक तरीके से करते हैं वो चल रहा है.
Okay.
Just putting some besan and gulab jal and all.
So are you thinking of going for facial before the pageant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
We are taking.
You are?
We are taking, ma'am. Regularly facial, we are taking.
Regularly facial you are taking. So how often,
Yeah.
how often do you do facial?
Within 10 days, they are giving us.
Acha, you are, acha, it's been given from there?
No.
No, ma'am.
No.
Who's that? I can't see.
I'm taking from VLCC.
Okay. So maybe you are going for some treatment.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So what you can do is, are you doing, you had your makeup class?
No, not yet.
Okay, so you
on 22nd of March, ma'am.
So yeah, are you doing your CTM regularly?
CTM means
Cleansing, toning, moisturizing.
cleansing
Yeah.
and moisturizing we are doing. I am doing matlab.
Yeah, so please do your cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. It is very, because what happens, people do cleansing, but they don't do toning. So please use toner. It is not required that you have to buy a toner from shop. You can always use gulab water, the rose water you can use for your toner. It is very important to use toner, because what happens when you wash your face, you must be using face wash or something, pores open. So when you use the toner, the pores also closes, so that you do not accumulate dirt, or when you sweat or you go out, there is so much of pollution, it doesn't go inside your skin through the pores. So if you use toner, your pores get blocked. And moisturizer, so obviously you need to put moisturizer, because your skin should be hydrated. To hydrate your skin, and now the season is changing, it is very important that you use moisturizer, sunscreen, lotion. So are you all using these things? Moisturizer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Sunscreens.
Yes, and please also use night cream.
Yeah, I am using.
Because then your skin in the morning will remain nice and soft. So even if you can start from now onwards, you will see a huge result before the pageant, because your even if you do, I tell you one thing, if you do very nice makeup, if you don't take care of your skin, it is like makeup is what? It is like painting, na? You also paint your face. You're putting a lot of makeup. So when you paint your house, if there is some, seepage or kuch hai,
damages.
So if you paint that, unless you do the putty, if you just paint the wall, it will show. So the same is face. You have to take care of your face. And then when you put the paint, when you put the makeup, it will stand out. It will. Otherwise, what happens? That's the time you look nice. But then, you have to stay for a longer time. What happens? Your makeup gets oxidized. You start looking gray. So that's why please start taking care of your skin. I am not, what do you say? I'm not scaring you all. I'm just giving you all this small
good suggestion.
So that, I want all of you to really look bright. Your skin should look very, healthy, nice, and so that you also feel good from inside. Yeah. So what another thing you do, so when you are coming, when you are traveling, you'll be obviously carrying your own makeup. What is it? Or you will have a makeup artist to put your makeup, or you'll be doing your makeup?
We are doing ourselves.
Okay. So
we are doing practicing.
No, there will be the makeup person to do the makeup on the finale for the photo shoots.
Okay.
Right? but yes, they will be taught how to do their own makeup.
Yes, and the for the photo shoot and finale, but I'm sure there will be other events.
Yeah, for the regular
Yes,
for the
yes.
regular things, they'll have to do by themselves.
Yes, so you will be doing na. So you will be carrying your own makeup. So please
Yes.
don't carry those big bottles like big. So there is this, you know, you will get all these small things. You know, the small bottles you get in the market. There is also a set, even online you get, you know, these are and if you once you buy them, you, I don't know when did I buy all this for my clients, because I wanted to show them, those who will travel a lot. It will be easier for you. You will, everything will come in a small pouch. If you put everything in a small, these are all called traveling boxes or traveling bottles. Like these are the small bottles. Okay, even you can keep, put your shampoo, your conditioner, your cleansing milk, your oil, whatever, this small, it will be easier for you. It will be easy for you to keep also. You will not lose them. Okay, so these are the, this is the way you can organize yourself, and this will also save time. So that's why you have to do little bit of you have to set your goals, so that you know, you will know what work you will do in what time. Now I want to show you this. This is also another thing which is like for makeup, to put all your makeup, even your bangles or all that. I don't know whether you can you see?
Yes,
ma'am.
So this is also the, or you can take a small, you know, bag kind of thing where you can put all your makeup. So what I'm trying to say, that keep everything in a very organized way, because you will not get lot of time to you know, organize yourself, to look for things. So if everything is handy, you know that you will not waste time. You can also use this kind of pouch to you know, keep your neck pieces. Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see? Yeah, and I also, but this is just, I'm showing you. This is another one, and in home I use this kind of thing to keep my neck pieces. So whenever I'm going out, I know that, you know, everything is handy. I know which one to wear. So I don't look for anything, because I think it is not only the beauty pageant, it is also for your you know, in future. Because now once you win the title, there will be a lot of expectations from you, and you have to behave like a beauty queen, because you, now you have to go for the next one. Yeah, so then you cannot say कि अच्छा हो गया अभी I am a beauty queen so I can do anything. No, so you have to live up to that expectation. So so that's why I said, like, when you want to it is going to be a transformation. So now people know you in a different way. Once you become Miss India beauty queen, people will see you with a different lens. So you also have to live up to that expectation. Yeah, so take everything to the next level. Also, there is another thing, and then you can also carry all your, you will not have enough space to you will not be able to wash anything, and I would suggest, please don't do that, because you'll be just unnecessarily wasting time. So please carry small you know, polythene or small bag to keep all your washed clothes. Please carry hangers, because that maybe you will not have enough hangers to hang your clothes there, and if you you will not have much time to iron, so you have to hang your clothes. So carry your own patla hanger, so it doesn't take much space. So this is the way you can organize yourself. So if I talk about time management, why it's not going, I don't know. So if I talk about time management, in your case, sorry, my screen. It's okay. Now you. Okay, so if I talk about time management, there's some problem with my screen.
What happened?
Just a minute. Yeah. So if I talk about time management, it is, so what is the most important thing in life? What we are losing all the time?
The time.
Yes, because it's the most valuable resource.
Yes.
Perishable. This will never come back to us. What is
Yeah.
going? So that's why you have to make, you have to do time management, isn't it? So can you do time management? Can you manage your
Yeah.
time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
How?
अभी
I'm
जैसे
very
मैम
bad.
कर रहे हैं,
I'm having full timetable. When I wake up, when I do my kitchen work, again I'm going to the gym. So it is all about time management.
Okay. How?
Then I am a teacher and I have to take online classes, so many things. So I have to manage myself, otherwise I cannot do anything.
Okay. What about others?
I'm very bad at it. It's my weakness.
Who's that? Who's that?
Dr. Archana.
Okay, doctor. Okay. So you are bad at managing time.
Yeah, because I'm a gynecologist now, and we have all the time, we have emergencies. So that disturbs my timetable, actually.
Okay. What about others? What about Sangeeta, Shobha, Nasrin?
I'm
Ma'am,
okay.
time-
I'm okay with it. I can't say great, but it depends. If it's, I know if it has to be done by say next Saturday, I know I'll manage it well. But if it's done like the deadline's 2 months down the line, I tend to be a little lax for say 3-4 weeks and then start.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about Sangeeta?
मैम प्लानिंग करती हूँ, जो चीजें प्रायोरिटी पे रखनी है जैसे, तो वो उन चीजों को पहले कर लेती हूँ, उनको टाइम ज्यादा दे देती हूँ, और फिर बीच में शेड्यूल सेशन भी चल रहे हैं तो उनके लिए टाइम भी निकालना है। तो शॉपिंग है, घर को भी देखना है, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ भी है, लेक्चरर हूँ मैं, तो हमारे को रिकॉर्डिंग वगैरह के लिए भी जाना होता है क्योंकि अभी एग्जाम्स वगैरह चल रहे हैं। उन सब के बीच में टाइम मैनेजमेंट करना आ रहा है, पहले नहीं आता था लेकिन अब सीख रहे हैं।
So you all can manage your time.
Yes, ma'am.
Time management is actually an art, and yes, I try to do a good time management for myself. Up to an extent, yes, I'm good at that, but can't say perfect.
मैम all of these, मेरा सबसे पॉजिटिव पॉइंट है टाइम। मैं आई एम वेरी पंक्चुअल। मैं 15 ईयर्स से मैं जॉब कर रही हूँ। देयर इज नो सिंगल रेड कलर।
Oh wow, who's that?
I never. I'm Ratri
Okay,
Day.
Ratri. Okay, yeah, because I cannot see everyone, so that's why I have to ask. Okay, Ratri, very nice. What about Nasrin?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have learned from my experience the value of each day. So today is 14th March 2021. I know it will not come tomorrow. And each day, I mean, it's very important, ma'am. And each day is learning. And I do plan my day, and I have so many things to do. I really want to do a lot of things in a day's time. But at the end of the day, I realized that I have only done, I mean, the 50% or the 60%. But then I make my plan flexible and I keep on doing it. Ultimately, I believe that someday I'm gonna finish whatever I have planned, and I manage everything: children, job, house, father, everything. There are a lot many. I mean, my job.
Good.
And it's challenging. it's challenging, ma'am, and I really like the thrill and the challenge. How to do everything and you know
Challenging.
enjoy.
When life is challenging, when there are challenges, then it is very interesting. So you all are managing time, yeah, but I cannot manage time. I just cannot. I can only manage myself. We cannot manage time because time is going tick, tick, tick. That's why I have given this picture, because you cannot manage your time. Time is going on its own. We are managing ourselves. So all of you are managing yourself very well. Time is something like, वो किसी का नहीं सुनता. It's going, it's just flowing. So we have to learn how to manage ourselves. So it's very good. It's really good that if you can do a lot of things in 24 hours, it's very nice if you are managing yourself very well. And we have to do it because you know what? We all worship Durga. And Durga has, I'm very sure, it's Shakti, and most of us worship Durga, and Durga has 10 hands. So we all women think we all have 10 hands. So Indian women are very, very, proud that we can do multitasking. Okay, and Indian women are doing multitasking. I think this is the country where the women do most of the women do multitasking. Okay, so we are managing our house, we are managing our profession, children, everything, and we have to manage ourselves also. And ladies like you all also have determined to chase your dream to become beauty queen. So that is, I mean, hugely appreciated, and it is commendable. So that's what I wanted to say. So, managing time, the best thing, but how you manage yourself. Sometimes, somewhere we also waste our time. Those are like those who are managing your self very well within the 24 hours. You can finish off a lot of work. It is very nice, but those who are not very good with it, it's fine. So what happens is that you have to see where you are wasting your time. So the best way to identify that is maintaining a time log. So what you can do is you can take a notebook, and for next 2-3 days you just write down from morning to evening what you are doing. So once you know that, sometimes we cannot identify that where we are wasting time, because if you are busy, that doesn't mean that you are productive. People can be busy even but not doing anything productive. Now I am going to the gym every day, okay, but I am not losing weight. So why I'm not losing weight? That maybe like I am going to gym for 1 hour, I'm coming back home, then after that I am not doing any other physical activities. I'm just sitting in watching TV. So you will actually not lose much weight, the result you are looking for. So once you make a time log, you start writing that okay, this is the time I am doing this. Then everything you write down, then it becomes visible in front of you. Once you do that, you will know that where you are wasting your time. So then you can manage, then you can use that time in a much productive way. So that is one thing you can do. And then also you have to prioritize, especially now that you are have only 3 weeks left and you have got to do a lot of things. Once your sessions are going on, then you have to do shopping, you have to organize your bags, you have to pack things properly, you have to practice so many things, your interview, your then walk, everything. So you have to be more organized, you have to prioritize. So there are 4 things. If you one is, there are certain work which is urgent and important. Yeah. Then there is something which is urgent but not important. There are certain things which is urgent. No, it's not important, not urgent. Okay. There are certain things like they're important and urgent. I think I have already mentioned. So there are you have to just concentrate on 2 things, which is important and urgent. So what you do you want maintain you do to-do list every day?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you do. What about
Yeah.
others? Do you know what is to-do list?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Yeah, so all of us know. So in the morning or the previous night, if you make a to-do list that next day, if you schedule your work, like how you are going to do, and you prioritize. So what I do is you can follow this. I mean, if you like, or you can create your own way to do it. I write 10 things. Then I prioritize that which are important and urgent. So beside the, like, you know, if I write 10 things, I will write important, urgent, karke, you know, those. And then there will be something which is only urgent. I mean, some things which is important but not urgent. And there will be certain work which is not important but urgent. So there, that is going to be very less. So mainly 2 things. One is important and urgent, and and the second is urgent but not important. If you can prioritize and then accordingly you do your things, maybe you will not be, if you write 10 things, you will not be able to achieve all 10, but at least 4-5 to ho jayega. So next day again you make a to-do list. So for you, especially now, making a to-do list is very important, because you have to be not only effective but efficient. So what is effective and what is efficient? Effective is you are doing things and you are doing the right things. And efficient is you are doing the things rightly, correctly. So you have to be very efficient so that you don't spend a lot of time in doing one thing. So please prioritize, make a logbook, and also do to-do list every day so that you can manage yourself very well in this 24 hours. So your each moment should be very productive. Okay, so any other any question for time management? Anything you would like to share, or maybe there are certain other way you manage yourself? If you want to share, maybe it will be good for others. Would you like to do that? Any of you?
No, ma'am.
No? No? Anything else? Then I'll do a little bit of etiquette. Anything else you would like to share or ask?
I just want to ask, ma'am, that your box that you showed, no, that bra keeping box. So it is available online, no?
It should be available, because you know I bought all this.
Yes, I checked right now. It's available on Amazon.
It should be available because these are all very common thing now. So it will be available. What happens then? When you buy a expensive bra, usually you know, if you are wearing strapless, or
Yeah, for that it is important.
then, like, you know, it remains in shape. Otherwise, when you are especially traveling, the shape kharab ho jata hai. So why to do that? So That's
Ma'am,
why.
please tell us also that what kind of bra we need to purchase for the pageant.
वो उसमें लिखा हुआ है मैंने.
अच्छा, लिखा है?
हाँ हाँ. पुशअप ब्रा चाहिए, स्ट्रैपलेस ब्रा चाहिए. These two are important.
Okay.
Yes, I think like you will be wearing evening gowns, so strapless bra is very important.
Okay.
And also push up, as Vinita said.
And one more
What
question,
about tubes?
how to measure?
Huh?
What about
How
tubes?
to measure the size correctly? मतलब, is there any tips for that also?
नहीं, वो तो आजकल आप जाओगे ना तो वो आपको प्रॉपर चेक करके बता देंगे कि दिस साइज इज गुड फॉर यू.
कहाँ पर जाएंगे?
एनामर का अच्छा, लाइक आई यूज एनामर वन. एनामर का ही मैं बॉडी शेपर यूज करती हूँ. दैट इज रियली गुड वन. उसमें 2 तरीके का आता है. लाइक एक थोड़ा कॉटनिश होता है, दूसरा आई डोंट नो द मटेरियल, बट द अदर वन इज बेटर.
कॉटन वन?
नहीं, द अदर वन.
अदर वन.
स्ट्रेचेबल मैम, जो स्ट्रेचेबल है.
हाँ, स्ट्रेचेबल तो दोनों ही है, बट
हाँ.
एक का स्ट्रेच ज्यादा अच्छा होता है. लाइक एक का कवरिंग ज्यादा अच्छा होता है, दूसरे का अच्छा नहीं होता है. वो सिल्की टाइप
Body
होता है.
shaper, see, different type of body shapers are available ना. The one which comes with the strap also.
नहीं, वो मत लो. वो जो जिप वाला हो या विथ हुक वाला हो वो नहीं लेना है. जो पहनने वाला होता है वो लीजिए आप.
Only panty and then बस only the abdomen part.
हाँ, yes, panty until here.
Okay, that is known as tummy tucker basically.
हाँ, that one is better.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah. Anything else?
Any other question?
You can put yourself on a, like, अभी मुझे host बना दो आप, if it is okay.
You are really challenging me today.
I'm training you also.
Okay, so how do I make you? I can't see my. Yeah, I can see myself. So but when those, I will. क्या करूँ मैं इसमें? It's
मेरी फोटो पर जाके.
अच्छा, हाँ. Okay.
हाँ.
Okay, आपको host बना दो.
हाँ.
Make host. I have made you host now. Change host. Okay. I have made you host.
Yes, I'm the host now.
Okay. So should I do a little bit of etiquette or dining etiquette? Or do you want?
Yeah, it's important. Please carry on.
हाँ, ठीक है. Then again I'll make you the host.
Huh?
Again, I'll make you the host if you want.
I don't need, because I don't have any more. I have
Okay.
thinking on that. These are the things which I wanted to show them. Now it's done. So do you all want me to do a little bit of etiquette and dining etiquette?
Yes, very important.
आप अपने स्क्रीन शेयरिंग बंद कर दीजिए.
हाँ, sure.
हाँ, तभी वो आएगा पूरा गैलरी व्यू में. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So what do you mean by etiquette? Yes, Neha, you are on spotlight now. So tell me what do you mean? Neha, no? Yes. What do you mean by etiquette?
Etiquette's manners.
Yeah, absolutely.
कि हमें दूसरों के सामने कि उनको बुरा ना लगे. हम कोई ऐसी, जैसे अगर हम कुछ प्लेट में कट कर रहे हैं तो कई बार आवाज आती है टक 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 की बहुत ज्यादा, वो बहुत नॉइसी लगता है. तो these are the etiquettes कि कैसे उठना है, कैसे बैठना है, कैसे हैंडल करना है, everything. I think that is the etiquettes.
Yes, absolutely. So etiquette, what happens, when you know etiquettes, you also feel comfortable. What is the benefit of etiquette? You also feel comfortable and you also make the other person feel comfortable. So you rightly say that if you are eating and you are like, you're making noise or you don't know how to use your cutlery properly. So what happens, the other person with whom you are eating, that person is also not comfortable. You're also not comfortable because you don't know how to use it properly. And the other person is not comfortable because you are making noise when you are chewing. So these are the, few things. Sometimes it is not that we do it intentionally, but maybe we're not very mindful or we are not very aware that there is breach of mannerism. So what happens in the bargain, we make the other person feel uncomfortable. So it is very important to know certain etiquette. And today, in today's world, I think the most important etiquette which we should be aware, or not only aware, we should follow, that is mobile etiquette. So I don't know what would be the, there will be protocol in during the pageant, that whether you'll be able to carry your mobile, or I don't know, that Nita can say better, but or maybe she'll be briefing you all. So even if you're carrying your mobile, if you're allowed to carry your mobile, maybe not during the grand finale. So try when you are, please keep it on silent mode. You should know how to use it in public place. Please don't talk very loudly, because I told you all that you all are watched all the time. So that's why, like, you have to be a little careful. Don't use it unnecessarily. Of course, like, if there's some urgent call because you'll be away from your family, take it. So excuse yourself and take the call. Don't talk loudly. Don't use in the public place. Don't use it in the restroom. That's another thing like people do. Ladies, they especially more, I have seen people go inside the washroom talking loudly on the phone, and so you have to be a little, you have to respect others. So all these shows, and sometimes we are not aware, but all these are very important life skills. Okay, so this is mobile etiquette, and as we will be sharing your room, there is a lot of echo. As we will be sharing your room with another person, so you also have to make the other person feel comfortable. So that is very important. And otherwise, in general etiquette, of course, when you come, you have to wish everyone. Keep always, whatever happens, keep a very smiling face. And also, see, there is one thing that this is a pageant, beauty pageant. There will be a lot of challenges. Maybe as I have told you all earlier, there will be certain things. Maybe you will not be comfortable, but take it to your stride. Don't say anything negative things. The more negative things you will say, it is like, it will only increase. So try not to see for everything, see the positive side. Don't see the negative side much. So this will also help you to stay in a positive frame of mind. Yeah, so these are the most important thing when you go for this kind, because there is competition. After all, there is competition, but don't take it as a competition. Then you will feel better.
Okay, if you see Miss India or Miss World thing, there are lots of countries participate in Miss World, right? But only one country wins. So other country doesn't think कि भाई मुझे क्यों नहीं जिताया, because वहाँ countries की बात आ जाती है. यहाँ पर तो एक individuals की बात है, वहाँ पे countries की बात आ जाती है. तो just be very positive every time, because that's what I have seen in the pageants. What happens? The one who wins is okay, but one who doesn't win is totally off. Right? So I've seen that, and मैं फिर से कहूंगी कि मैं winners से ज़्यादा जो non-winners होते हैं उनके बारे में मैं ज़्यादा सोचती हूँ. That is my nature. I don't think about the winners. I think about the non-winners. I think from their point of view that's what they are thinking, and that makes me more sad. Right? So don't take it in a very positive way. अगर ऐसा होता तो कोई भी किसी भी competition में कभी जिंदगी में part नहीं लेगा.
Actually, ma'am, family member said that कि you are already winner क्योंकि आपने participate करने का दम तो दिखाया.
Yeah, that is the thing.
हाँ जी, जिनमें कैपेबिलिटी है लेकिन आगे नहीं आ रहे, तो आई थिंक वी ऑल आर ऑलरेडी विनर.
देखिए, out of thousands of women, you few have come up, and that too during this COVID time. I'm thankful to you all that you people could come.
And that is very motivating, ma'am. That is very motivating.
In fact, the way you have come up, the way you have enrolled yourselves, या बहुत दिनों बाद किया या अभी किया, डजंट मैटर, बट थिंग इज यस यू ट्राइड, आपने अपने दिल से ना वो चीज निकाली कि हाँ मुझे अब करना ही है, मेरे को करके ही दिखाना है, अब नहीं छोड़ना मुझे। सो दैट इज समथिंग, वो जो निकालना होता है ना, जैसे लाइक यू आर द गायनिक, यू नो हाउ यू डू द सर्जरी, हाउ एट द टाइम ऑफ द सर्जरी जो बहुत डिफरेंट डिफिकल्ट केसेस होते हैं, आप उसमें कैसे हैंडल करते हो अपने आप को, दैट इज योर स्ट्रेंथ, right? So that time if you can handle yourself, and that is what Bona is also saying, that's what Madhu also said, because you people have to think in a very large perspective. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं किचन में काम कर सकती हूँ पर मैं रैंप पर नहीं चल सकती, या मैं रैंप पर चल सकती हूँ, मुझे तो चाय बनाना भी नहीं आता। हम लोग मल्टी टैलेंटेड हैं। मेरी बेटी, लाइक द अदर डे माय डॉटर वाज सेइंग अबाउट माय नीस की, उसकी शादी हो गई है, मेरी दीदी की बेटी है, तो मेरी बेटी ने कहा मम्मी वो सब काम कर लेती है। मैंने क्या मतलब? नहीं, उनको खाना बनाना आता है, बिकॉज शी हैज सीन हर एज अ गर्ल। मेरी बेटी ने उसको ऐसे लड़की की तरह मस्ती मारते देखा, अब उसकी शादी होगी, बोलता वो कर लेती, खाना बना लेती। मैंने कहा ये जो लड़कियां होती है ना, वो कुछ भी कर सकती है।
जैसे अभी मैम ने बताया कि ऑल गर्ल्स आर गॉडेस दुर्गा, तो उनके 10 हाथ होते हैं, अभी
हाँ,
मैम ने बताया।
हाँ,
तो
हाँ,
वी आर, तभी हमें बचपन में पूजा जाता है एज अ कन्या पूजन, क्योंकि एक शक्ति का रूप है हर औरत।
हाँ, पर ये हमें फील करने की जरूरत है, जो हम फील नहीं करते।
यस एग्जैक्टली।
पूजा जरूर करते हैं पर हम फील नहीं करते उस चीज को। जो फील कर लेता है वो आगे बढ़ जाता है। आप सब लोगों ने उस चीज को फील किया है, दैट इज व्हाई यू हैव कम अप टू दिस पॉइंट। रैंप पर वॉक करना, अपने आप को इस एज में आके दोबारा से ट्रेन करवाना, दूसरों की बातें सुनना, आपको ट्रेनर भी आपको सिखाएंगे कैसे वॉक करना है, ग्रूमर आपको सिखाएंगे कैसे बात करना है। तो हम बोले हमें तो ये सब आता है, हमें क्या जरूरत है, हम तो किचन में काम करते हैं, हमें क्या जरूरत है ये सब करने की? बट जरूरत है।
Yes, of course.
You know, if at the age of 50 now I'm changing myself, so anybody can change at any time. At the age of 50 Sangeeta is changing herself.
अभी आपका एक पोस्ट था, अभी आपने डाला था उम्र कम
उम्र की ऐसी कम तैसी। हाँ
ये बहुत अच्छा लगा जब मैंने देखा, बहुत अच्छा था।
हाँ, तो वो मुझे पोएम मिली थी और फिर मैंने कहा उस पोएम को मुझे जरूर करना है, जरूर उसको वीडियो बनाना है, सो आई डिड दैट।
Yes.
So the thing is that you people have come up to this point is totally commendable. The big clap for you all. अपने आप को clap करो आप लोग। आप में से like मैंने लिस्ट बना के रखी है, somebody is HR manager, somebody is like Nirupama is the VP of her company, some is a housewife, she is a doctor, she is a retired squadron leader, you are a teacher, you know, हर जगह से अगर लड़कियां आई हैं, लेडीज आई हैं, तो it means a lot because you want something extra in your life. नहीं तो अपनी अपनी जगह पे सब कुछ हर कोई सेटिस्फाई है, कोई घर में खाना बना के सेटिस्फाई है, कोई like out of all those women, you people are extraordinary. Took this step. मिस इंडिया में तो कोई भी चला जाएगा, मिसेस इंडिया में पार्टिसिपेट करना मुश्किल है, because we people go through so many of challenges. हमारे चेहरे पे चैलेंजेस ना यहाँ दिखना शुरू हो जाते हैं। चैलेंजेस, यहाँ पर एक चैलेंज, यहाँ पर एक चैलेंज, यहाँ पर एक चैलेंज, यहाँ पर एक चैलेंज, इतने सारे चैलेंज हमारे पास होते हैं। And then we took this step to come out of the zone. Then we started walking on the ramp. Then we started walking on high heels.
चैलेंजेस तो मैम हर जगह है कि अगर मुझे कोई पोस्ट डालनी है तो मेरा बेटा आता है कि नहीं मुझे लैप में ही सोना है, मुझे आपकी लैप में ही सोना है, प्यार तो कर लो, फोन तो रखो, थोड़ा सा प्यार तो कर लो, तो वो भी करना है। दैट इज आल्सो चैलेंजेस।
Right. That is a very big challenge.
Yes.
Now my son is suffering from CP, right? He is suffering from cerebral palsy. That is like he's 23 now. He will be 23 now and he cannot do anything at all. He's totally on bed. तो कई बार हमें एकदम से रात को सोते से उठ के मैं भागती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे उसके रोने की आवाज आती है। जाके देखती हूँ कि वो ऐसे कर रहा है, क्योंकि उसको नहीं पता कि कब सुबह होगी कब रात हो गई। वो अपनी मर्जी से उठता है, अपनी मर्जी से सोता है। And we all family members circle around him. You know, वो कब पॉटी कर रहा है, कब उठ रहा है, उसकी आंखें क्या बोल रही हैं, उसका मुंह क्या बोल रहा है, उसकी हरकतें क्या बोल रही हैं, ये सब हमें ऐसे चुटकियों में पता चल जाता है। This is a very big challenge. You know, that's what I'm doing. But still, I'm sitting here, I'm doing everything because I want to do this thing. मेरे जैसी और भी बहुत सारी औरतें होंगी, और भी बहुत सारी मदर्स होंगी जिनको ऐसी प्रॉब्लम होती होगी, बट बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट कम आउट ऑफ their comfort zone, they are still stuck at one place.
They are only complaining about their
They are
life.
only complaining कि हाय मैं क्या करूं, मेरा बेटा ऐसा है, मैं क्या करूं.
बर्बाद हो गए, because most of these kind of people come to me regularly ना, so I just know about their mindset.
Yeah.
They are only complaining. Most of the women are only complaining. They are complaining about
मेरा
themselves,
पति ऐसा है,
their in-laws, their circumstances, कि हमारे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ क्योंकि हम ऐसा हो जाते हैं.
आप तो डॉक्टर हैं, आपको क्या पता है क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, आप तो कमाते हो, आपको क्या पता क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. या जैसे लास्ट टाइम मेरे पास एक कैंसर सर्वाइवर लेडी थी, उसने बोला मैम मुझे सब लोग बोल रहे हैं अच्छा इसको कैंसर हो गया इसीलिए ज्यादा बढ़ रही है. What did she feel during those times? ये किसी को नहीं समझ में आया कि वो जब कैंसर में थी तब उसके साथ क्या बीत रही थी. आफ्टर कैंसर शी स्टार्टेड डूइंग समथिंग फॉर हरसेल्फ. So that should be appreciated. नहीं कि अच्छा क्योंकि ये लाइक मुझे क्यों लोग बोलते हैं इसका बेटा ऐसा है तो बार बार बेटे के बारे में बोलती है. मुझे किसी को सुनाना नहीं है कि मेरे बेटे में परेशानी है या मुझको परेशानी है कोई, पर मुझे ये बताना है कि उस परेशानी को हम कैसे झेल के निकल रहे हैं, ये बताना है मुझे. I'm having 5 kids. 5 बच्चे हैं मेरे. तो 5 को झेलती हूँ मैं, और 5 टचवुड बहुत अच्छे हैं. They are very good. So because they are good, that is why I am doing, or maybe because I am doing, they are good. Tit for tat. So that's what I would like to suggest. I have seen in the pageants, the girls who literally worship you before the pageant, me, to the director, right? Director ko literally like they love like anything. I know, I have felt the love. But after the pageant, they start just hating her. बुरी तरीके से हेट करती है, इतना हेट करते हैं कि आप उनका हेट आपके पास आ रहा होता है. So I would like you people to just be very positive. And the way like I am loving you, the way you people are loving me, just keep on loving me till the end of your life.
Yes, absolutely.
I feel this is the only thing which I also want to communicate to you, that the way you have come up is actually you are a role model for all of us.
Thank you so much.
Because I have also come across a lot of challenges in my life, and like, it was actually very sad for me, but still like I am trying to do everything whatever is required for coming from that.
And you have taken a very big step, like doing a work somewhere, being a VP of a place. You're having so many people around you, and still you are doing this pageant is something very different from others. Not every woman dare to do this thing.
Let's hope so.
This is a daring thing that you have done. अभी ये करने के बाद हम लोग like let this corona passes away. We will go. All of us will go. Like past contestants also, they are also ready to go somewhere out.
We will certainly go, and like you are our role model. Actually,
we will go on a trip. मस्ती trip में जाएंगे. Bona, you will also be there.
Yeah, sure.
Because the moment I think about you, I always think that the way you have started, that is actually a commendable way to take you forward, because it's actually
someday this is a very short thing, like short story that I've told you about myself. I've got a very big story, very big, someday I'll tell. ये तो एक पार्ट है, ये मेरा बच्चा है, like my son, he is my son. So he is not a problem, he is not a responsibility, he is my son. Okay, so उसके लिए मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी मुझको ये problems है. This is not a problem for me. My son is not a problem for me. But I have faced many other problems as such. So that I will share sometime later. Right? So yeah, that's it. If you want to ask any question to Bona.
Actually, a good session, and many things we learned today. So like I would really like to go through her video once again, because the way she everything is actually very well. Like, everything doesn't get registered in one time.
Right.
I'll try to go through once more so that I should be more efficient in that, because she has just told be effective and efficient both.
Yeah.
So we have to be practicing in terms of being efficient.
Yeah. Sure. I'll be sending that. Anything else you want to ask?
Yes, couple of other questions. I have for you because yesterday I could not attend your session.
हाँ.
So many things you have shared in terms of what all is going to happen in pageant, like that is what has been discussed.
I'll share the video for that.
Because I would really like to know how it is going to progress from entry till exit. So what is the whole life cycle is going to be there.
हाँ. I'll send you the video.
Events, everything. Because have you explained everything there?
No, not everything. I explained about the dresses and about the posing.
Okay. So I would like to know like, the moment we enter and the moment we exit. So what all is going to happen in 3 days time?
मैं आपको itinerary भेजूंगी सबका.
मैम थोड़ा सा उसको अगर जल्दी करेंगे तो थोड़ा सा आसानी हो जाएगी काम
नहीं, for those 3 days you are there with us. तो आप हमारे अंडर में हो तब.
No, that's not right because I wanted to plan it from now because I don't get much time for doing myself.
What planning do you want?
I want to like prepare for each activity, my dresses, my shoes.
See, dresses के बारे में मैंने बता दिया है कि आपको कब क्या पहनना है.
Okay.
ठीक है? कौन सी ड्रेस के साथ आपको क्या पहनना है? जैसे मैंने बोला, फर्स्ट राउंड इज ऑफ सीक्वेंट टॉप एंड द जीन्स. Right? First round for the finale. Right?
Right.
Second round will be the black dress round जो हमारे डिजाइनर आपको देंगे, जिसके लिए आपको ज्वेलरी लेके आनी है.
Okay.
And third round will be the gown round that too will be given by the designer, जिसके आपको पैसे देने हैं उनको.
Sorry, can you just repeat?
Third round will be of a gown round. इसके लिए आपका सारा मेजरमेंट मंगाया है और जिसके आपको कपड़ों लाइक ड्रेस मटेरियल के पैसे आपको देने हैं, जो मैंने उसमें आपको लिखा है 1000 लाइक मैक्सिमम 1000.
My like question is different. What about second round, because you have sent about the jewelry? What
second round is that black dress round जो मैंने आपको black ड्रेस की फोटो भेजी है लहंगे के साथ की.
हाँ. Yes.
उसके साथ की आपको ज्वेलरी लेके आनी है. हाँ, ड्रेस हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे, ज्वेलरी आपको लेके आनी है.
ठीक है. Black dress you are going to provide and then like okay.
हाँ.
And gown will be also provided by you.
Gown will be provided. उसके लिए भी आपको ज्वेलरी लेनी है.
Okay.
Gown का like ma'am, what is gown? That gown? Can you just literally explain more?
Gown is जैसे जो गाउन होते हैं डिजाइनर्स गाउन.
Okay, but what color, what like everything would be?
Yeah, that is like on us. That will be a surprise for you. That is a good color.
नहीं, but point is not that. Point is that how to match it with jewelry and other things.
नहीं, तो आप उसमें सिंपल आप जो अमेरिकन डायमंड वाली जो ज्वेलरी होती है वो वाली ज्वेलरी ले लीजिए, वो सबके साथ चलेगी. ठीक है, वो किसी भी गाउन के साथ चलेगी. लॉन्ग होनी चाहिए. लॉन्ग होनी चाहिए, लॉन्ग.
यस मैम, अगेन आई नीड दैट एड्रेस, क्योंकि गूगल कर रहे हैं तो दो जगह, एक वहां दिखा रहा है गुरुग्राम की तरफ दिखा रहा है, तो ये होटल है किस जगह? अगर
गुरुग्राम की तरफ ही है ये.
ओके, गुरुग्राम की तरफ.
हाँ, वो है गुरुग्राम की तरफ, पर आता दिल्ली में है.
अच्छा,
ठीक है.
तो मैं अगर ओला करती हूँ तो इजीली आई कैन गेट.
हाँ.
ओके.
Diamond jewelry.
So, ma'am, we have to arrive on the same day, na? 8th of April.
8, हाँ 8 सुबह 9 o'clock.
Suबह 9 o'clock. I have to look for the flight.
American diamond jewelry would be required for this gown, right?
For the gown one and for the first round, sequin top वाले के लिए.
Gown and first round. Okay. First round. ठीक है. मैम अगर एक्चुअल ज्वेलरी लेते आए तो
उसकी आपको अपनी केयर करनी पड़ेगी. इसके लिए आपको अपने आप केयर करनी पड़ेगी, बिकॉज ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि चीजें गायब हो जाती हैं.
फिर पूरा दिमाग उसी में रहता है.
हाँ, वो कहीं गिर जाती है, कहीं छूट जाती है, तो प्लीज वो मत करिए आप.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
सॉरी मैम, पेजेंट जो गाउन होगा उसके साथ जो एसेसरीज आपने एक तो ये बताया है, इयररिंग्स, और कुछ नेसेसरी है उसके साथ इयररिंग्स के अलावा भी?
नहीं, गले में कुछ नहीं पहनना
है ना, कुछ नहीं.
गाउन के साथ मतलब सिर्फ वो हैंड्स का
पहन सकते हो, बट इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी.
ओनली
क्योंकि आपका जो फोकस है, जो जजेस का फोकस है, वो गाउन्स पर रहता है कि हाउ शी इज कैरिंग हर गाउन्स. एनीथिंग डिस्ट्रैक्टेबल शुड नॉट बी देयर, कि बहुत सारा शाइनी ज्वेलरी है या गले में भी पहन लिया, अंगूठी भी पहन ली बड़ी बड़ी सी, वो नहीं करना है।
ओके
ठीक है, क्योंकि मेन फोकस गाउन का होता है, गाउन शुड लुक गुड।
तो वहां पर जो मेन गाउन वाला राउंड होगा वहां पर हमारा क्वेश्चन सेशन होगा ना?
हाँ हाँ।
तो मैम उसके लिए भी तो बता दो कैसे
मैम
वो बताया ना बोना ने अभी।
नहीं, उसमें तो मुझे
क्वेश्चन
ज्यादा
आंसर राउंड ना।
फिर
हाँ।
किस चीज से ज्यादा पूछते हैं क्वेश्चन?
जनरल नॉलेज पे नहीं पूछते, बट जनरल नॉलेज पे पूछते।
जनरल नॉलेज पे नहीं पूछते?
हाँ, एक जनरल नॉलेज होता है करंट अफेयर्स, उस पे नहीं पूछते, पर दूसरा जनरल नॉलेज होता है हमारा जनरल नॉलेज, उस पे पूछते हैं।
अच्छा, और एक जो अलग से होगा वो?
दैट ऑल डिपेंड्स, वो भी जनरल नॉलेज पे नहीं पूछते, जनरल नॉलेज पे पूछते हैं।
तो उसके लिए
इंटरव्यू राउंड
पढ़ना है, कुछ क्या करना है?
नहीं, पढ़ना नहीं है। See, that is something like how you react during a certain situation. So that is the challenge that she was saying about Neha. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
एक्चुअली मैम इसको शुरू से ऐसे ही बड़ा किया है ना, तो ही नीड्स लव फ्रॉम मम्मा, कि मम्मी से प्यार चाहिए। मम्मी मैंने इतनी सारी बुक्स पढ़ ली है, प्यार तो कर लो।
ओहो।
गुड बॉय। मुझे आपकी याद आ रही थी, एक कमरे में से दूसरे कमरे में इनको मेरी याद आ रही थी।
हाँ, बस ऐसे ही होता है इन लोगों की।
तो वो बच्चों को आती है मम्मा की याद।
हाँ हाँ,
घर में बैठे बैठे आने लग जाती है।
हाँ, मेरे भी ऐसे ही है, सबकी यही हालत है। फिर मुझे तो गुस्सा, अरे यार आप एक को किस करोगे, 2 को करोगे, 3 को करोगे, 4 को करोगे, 5 को करोगे, फॉर मी।
पर एज अ मदर करना पड़ेगा।
नहीं, मैं तो बोलती दूर हटो, अब बहुत हो गया, और किसी को नहीं कर सकती। So yes, that is the thing. What else? Any other question?
मैम जो व्हाइट ड्रेस होगी, जो एंट्री वाले पे होगी, वो 9 o'clock में पहुंचना है, व्हाइट ड्रेस में ही आना है वो 9 o'clock पे?
डिपेंड करता है, अगर आप व्हाइट ड्रेस में नहीं आ रहे तो यू कैन कम एंड चेंज ओवर देयर इन द वॉशरूम।
यस मैम, दैट
एनीथिंग ना, इट कुड बी मिडी, इट कुड बी शॉर्ट,
एनीथिंग एक्सेप्ट साड़ी एंड सूट।
हाँ हाँ, एक्सेप्ट साड़ी।
एक जगह
बट साड़ी इज अ ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस, यू शुड कीप इट इन दैट।
एवरी टाइम वी वेयर दिस, शादी में जाते हैं तो साड़ी पहनते हैं यार, किसी के बर्थडे में जाते हैं तो साड़ी पहनते हैं।
I am very fond of sarees, that's why.
I know, I've seen you, but the thing is, see, every time we wear sari, so here totally different, no sari.
Nish, sari should be one dress among all. I think it's
like
like
I kept it last time. I kept the sarees, not the sari round, but the dinner in sarees. But this time I don't want you to people push yourself कि अभी जाके फटाफट चेंज करो, फटाफट चेंज करो। अगर मैं आपको लास्ट टाइम की इतनी भेजू ना, आपको लगेगा इन लोगों ने कितने कपड़े लेके आए थे, बहुत कपड़े लेके आए थे लास्ट टाइम। फॉर दोस 3 days बहुत सारे कपड़े लेके आए थे। आप लोगों को मैंने बहुत कम दिया।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
Because I want to, okay, जो आप 3 दिन के इतनी मुझसे पूछ रहे हो, everyone is not here, but it's okay, they will see the video, and if they don't see, tell them not to ask me again. Okay. So first is arrival in, ये वैसे मैं आपको भेजूंगी भी, arrival in white dress, okay? Till 10:30 आप लोग का अराइवल का जो होगा, क्योंकि आप लोग आके कई बार हेलो हाई भी करते हो, बैठते भी हो, कई बार लोग देर से भी आते हैं, तो till 10:30 is I've given you the time to be there in a lobby of the hotel, okay? 10:30 to 12:30 will be the orientation and sash ceremony, then lunch, then there will be the makeup training, then tea break, then there will be a session with the choreographer, then again tea break. Then we will have talent round on the very first day.
Okay.
talent round first day.
Talent round will be on the first day. ठीक है?
Okay.
मैंने ये जल्दी का टाइम रखा है 7 to 9 का। लास्ट टाइम मैंने इसको 9 to 12 किया था, जो हमारा 1 या 2 बज गए थे रात में टैलेंट राउंड को करते हैं।
ये टाइम मैनेजमेंट भी तो आप हमें सेंड करेंगे ना, या अभी बता रहे हैं?
बताऊंगे, बाकी लोग है ही नहीं यहाँ पे, फिर मुझसे पूछेंगे वो लोग।
नहीं, अभी आप सेंड भी करोगे ना इसको?
हाँ सेंड करूंगी। ठीक है, देन डिनर एंड देन
टैलेंट राउंड को पेन ड्राइव में भी लाना है ना, कुछ पेन
हाँ,
ड्राइव?
अगर आप डांस वांस कर रहे हो तो।
अच्छा, उसका म्यूजिक लाना है?
हाँ,
pen
म्यूजिक
drive।
लाना है।
Okay.
Then 10 to 11 will be training and then you can go to sleep and have fun with all others, क्योंकि ये मौका दोबारा नहीं मिलेगा आप लोगों को लड़कियों के साथ एंजॉय करने का, तो do whatever you want to do. Have fun with all the ladies out there. मस्ती मारो, चुगली करो, कुछ भी करो, मस्ती करो. Okay, second day will be a Zumba session 6 to 7. Then there will be breakfast. 8:30 से हम फोटो शूट स्टार्ट कर देंगे. पहला राउंड होगा आपका ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस का. पहला फोटो शूट होगा आपका ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस का, तो यू बी रेडी फॉर दैट.
मैम इसमें साड़ी पहन सकते हैं?
नहीं पहनना है ना?
ट्रेडिशनल में तो आप पहन सकते हैं, ट्रेडिशनल तो साड़ी ही होती है.
ट्रेडिशनल तो फिर साड़ी होती है ना. हमारे इंडिया में केवल साड़ी नहीं है, बहुत कुछ है.
अरे मैम रख दो ट्रेडिशनल में साड़ी.
मैं तो साड़ी पहन रही हूँ, ट्रेडिशनल आपने लिखा है, मैं तो साड़ी पहन.
कितना अच्छा रहता है साड़ी.
लेकिन साड़ी को किसी और अदर चीजों से, बंगाली है तो बंगाली स्टाइल में साड़ी,
बंगाली, असमी, यू नो, ऐसे कर सकते हो उसको, डिफरेंट तरीके से पहन सकते हो, नॉट द सेम ओल्ड ट्रेडिशनल साड़ी.
हाँ तो डिफरेंट तरीके से पहन सकते हो.
हाँ,
लाइक आई एम बंगाली. हाँ, लाइक आई एम बंगाली, तो मैं साउथ इंडियन बन सकती हूँ.
हाँ,
नहीं आप बंगाली भी बन सकते हो.
Do not disclose over here, that is a surprise. Do not disclose.
I am just.
हाँ, so yes, फोटो शूट होगा पहले ट्रेडिशनल राउंड का. उसके बाद आप लोग का ब्लैक ड्रेस जो आपको फिनाले में पहनना है उसका फोटो शूट होगा, राइट? तो आप लोग एक, हाँ, पहले आपका ट्रेडिशनल राउंड में फोटो शूट होगा
जी.
आप एक एक करके आओगे, आपका फोटो शूट होगा. देन यू विल गो एंड, मत लिखो ना, देन यू विल गो एंड चेंज इन अ ब्लैक ड्रेस. फिर उसका फोटो शूट होगा. ब्लैक ड्रेस जो हमारे डिजाइनर्स देंगे आपको.
ओके, थैंक यू.
ठीक है,
थैंक यू.
उसमें आपका फोटो शूट होगा.
ओके ओके.
उसके बाद आप फिर खाना खाओगे. खाना खाने के बाद आपका वेकेशनल शूट होगा.
क्या होगा मैम?
वेकेशन राउंड.
वेकेशन. ओके.
Okay. After that will be the interview session.
Same day.
7 to 9.
उसमें भी आपको कॉकटेल ड्रेस पहननी है ना इंटरव्यू सेशन में?
हाँ.
नहीं, सॉरी. आई नीड टू आस्क. क्वेश्चन राउंड में, क्वेश्चन आंसर में तो आपने गाउन बोला था
ना? वो दो है क्वेश्चन आंसर.
वो तो दो है, वो तो स्टेज पर है.
एक आपका गाउन में और एक इंटरव्यू सेशन ना मैम, दो है.
एक पर्सनल इंटरव्यू हुआ और दूसरा स्टेज पर हुआ.
तो पर्सनल इंटरव्यू में क्या पहनना है?
कॉकटेल राउंड पहन सकते हो आप.
पर्सनल
इंटरव्यू मैम, इंट्रो राउंड ना, जो इंट्रो राउंड आपने दिया हुआ है वो वाला है ना?
वो इंटरव्यू राउंड दिया है, इंट्रो नहीं है, इंटरव्यू राउंड है. हाँ,
वही पर्सनल हुआ.
हाँ,
जो जजेस पैनल में लेंगे हमारा.
हाँ.
नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड.
कॉकटेल गाउन पहनेंगे.
हाँ, कुछ भी पहन सकते हो आप, डिपेंड्स. इसमें कोई ट्रेडिशनल आपको इंटरव्यू ड्रेस नहीं पहननी है, आपको कुछ डिफरेंट पहनना है. देन वी विल हैव प्री पार्टी.
कॉकटेल.
हाँ, वही कॉकटेल में प्री पार्टी होगी हमारी.
ओके.
क्योंकि पैजेंट के बाद सब लोग, कोई उदास होता है, कोई खुश होता है, तो मैं पैजेंट के बाद कोई पार्टी नहीं रखने वाली. पैजेंट के पहले पार्टी रखने वाली. ठीक है,
हम लोग सेम ड्रेस में पार्टी अटेंड करेंगे.
सेम ड्रेस में पार्टी अटेंड करोगे. देन द डिनर एंड देन अगर ट्रेनिंग कुछ बचती है तो वी विल डू द ट्रेनिंग टिल 11. अगेन यू गो एंड हैव फन. नाउ थर्ड डे मॉर्निंग 6 o'clock एक्सरसाइज अगेन, देन ब्रेकफास्ट, और उसके बाद टेक रिहर्सल होगा हमारा. टेक रिहर्सल में स्टेज पे रिहर्सल होता है. देन मेकअप, देन फिनाले. खलास.
रैंप वॉक कब होगा?
बोला ना मैंने,
फिनाले में. नहीं,
रिहर्सल होगा आपका.
लर्निंग सेशन.
हाँ, ट्रेनिंग सेशन. यस.
हाँ,
टाइमिंग क्या रहेगा मैम? स्टार्टिंग
फिनाले इज ऑन 10th. या
ओके, तो 11 को हम लीव कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, टाइमिंग हम वो बता देंगे आपको, इधर 7:30 और 8, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
तो उसमें तुम्हारे घर वाले भी आएंगे ना?
They can come. They can come. Yes, they can come.
Ma'am, what about this ramp walk training session when it is going to happen?
यही तो बोला मैंने, ट्रेनिंग सेशन.
नहीं, कब होगा? That's what I'm asking.
फर्स्ट डे.
First day होगा. Okay.
हाँ, फर्स्ट डे भी होगा, सेकंड डे भी होगा, थर्ड डे भी होगा.
अच्छा, रैंप वॉक would be done every day.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
Done?
Done.
Okay then.
So 10th को मैम like
हो गया?
then final is there ना?
हाँ, 10th को फिनाले है.
हाँ.
मैम
क्वेश्चन
बहुत
मैम
patience
चलते
है
ही
आपने।
रहेंगे, आप इंडिविजुअली सबको सेंड कर दो, नहीं तो क्वेश्चंस खत्म ही नहीं होंगे, नाइट हो
नहीं, वो
जाएगी.
इंडिविजुअली मैं भेज दूंगी, मेल भेजूंगी, अब मैं व्हाट्सएप नहीं भेजूंगी.
हाँ मैम ठीक है. We send it.
हाँ, ठीक है.
ओके ओके
अपने अपने मेजरमेंट भेज दो प्लीज.
Yes, I will.
अगेन अगेन
अभी अगेन सबको बोल रही हूँ मैं, जिसने भेज दिया ठीक है, जिसने नहीं भेजा वो भेज दो.
ठीक है, मैं भेजती हूँ अभी.
कमर छोटी।
हाँ, ठीक है. नहीं तो वही कमर छोटी और पेट मोटा हो जाएगा.
Can we take a picture?
Yeah. Nirupama, come online. We'll have a picture.
Yes, I am online only.
There is no one else. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. बाकी कहाँ चलेगा यार?
Thumb.
Yeah, thumbs up. Yeah.
मैम मनी.
हाँ, money. Everyone money. नहीं, इतना बड़ा मनी नहीं बोलना, मनी छोटा सा बोल रहा है. मनी छोटा सा.
मनी. थैंक यू.
मुझे अपनी रैंप वॉक की वीडियो भेजो और फोटोज की जो मैंने बोला है वो भेजो.
फोटोज की क्या?
जो मैंने कल बताया था.
And what was that?
I'll send you the video. Just go through it and then थोड़ा सा नीचे से लो आप, बोना थोड़ा सा नीचे से लो ऐसे करके, तो it will come better. आ गया? अच्छा, एक चीज और मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ. वीडियो बनाने के लिए जब भी आपको वीडियो बनाने को कहा जाए, लैंडस्केप मोड में बनाइए हमेशा. ऐसे करके वीडियो कभी मत बनाइए.
ओके
देखो.
ओके, ऐसे करके बनाइए. और उसके बाद बाकी उसमें वीडियो एप्स भी आते हैं जो साउंड कैंसिलेशन वगैरह के होते हैं, तो दैट यू कैन यूज. बट ऑलवेज मेक अ वीडियो इन दिस वे.
अच्छा, वो जो इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो बनाना है वो वाला ना?
हाँ, आपका बचा है ना इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो. रात्रि आपका हो गया, पर आपने ऐसे में बनाया है.
जी फिर बनाओ.
इफ पॉसिबल बना दो, नहीं तो फिर विल सी.
नहीं मैं फिर बनाऊंगी.
ठीक है
मैम. उसमें कब डालेंगे आप, वेबसाइट पे कब डालेंगे?
मैंने डालना शुरू कर दिया है. कल अर्चना का डाला था, आज शुभा का डाला है. एक एक करके डाल दो.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. That's it.
All right.
We can go now.
ओके मैम, बाय बाय.
Yeah, thank you so much. And see you on 22nd now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Go for
Thank
shopping.
you.
Go for shopping.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye,
Okay,
Bona.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Bona.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. It was a fun session.
Yes. Wonderful session.
Yeah.
Really
Thank you
enjoyed.
so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.